coming into the entrance at 6640 Fairview Street. I've been in this floor plan before, and I've also seen this floor plan modified to create an open space, and it comes out really nice. So as you're coming in, you have two sides here, and what I've seen is this wall down and the kitchen brought out with an island right about where that wall is right there. So you've got some carpet here. It appears that the current sellers, they're an older couple, and looking at this property, you've got a pantry here, you've got your kitchen here. Everything is very nicely maintained, even with the original finishes. They've taken good care of it. Just needs a good rehab down the road, but this is a ideal property for a purchase and a flip. You've got your laundry room here out to the garage. Garage, two-car garage. You got a lot of stuff in here, but very typical. I've taken pictures already of the electrical, the hot water, and the AC unit together to get the age and to check on that equipment. But you've got your AC air handler here. It's got a little bit of mold up at the top, but I see that often, and you know, that's a matter of the way it's sealed up there, and that could be taken care of. But you've got a utility sink out here as well. You've got some storage cabinets. You've got your pull down attic to gain access there. And you have an exterior door, of course, here. So this is one of the main living spaces. It's actually got two main living spaces. One, of course, in this room here, and then through this door, and this is the front area as you're walking in, that you could actually have another living space on this side. But the other space is a little bit more formal. This is the informal area, and this is a big unit here. So this is a really nice space for setting up. You've got all of this living space, which makes a nice family room. And you've got two bedrooms back here and a bathroom. So bedroom number one. And you have got the bathroom. This goes out to the pool area, and I'll go out there. You've got a nice walk-in shower here. No bathtub. And then you've got here, they use this as an office. So the cabinets could come down. We'll patch on the walls, convert this to a bedroom. This is the exterior view, very private, behind the house. It's got a really nice sized closet over here. I'll turn around one more time so you can see. Good space, nice size rooms for bedrooms. Nice size bathroom. Original finishes though, and that's not such a bad thing when it comes to what you're planning on doing. And this is probably a good size walk-in closet as well. Yep. Great size. Makes for a nice option for a rental. Okay, so this is I'll walk over here so you can see. This is the front door. that we were standing at, and over here is that pantry area. And then this is more of a formal dining space, and more of a, in the front here, more of a formal living space. But like I said, I have seen this very same floor plan converted, and this could be something that could be done down the road. I've seen this gone, and the kitchen runs along that back wall, and then an island where this sits. So lots of really nice options for modification for down the road, but it would not need to be something that had to be done now as a rental. You can let it work on the value, and then down the road you can add to your value by doing that kind of an update. This bedroom is the master, really good size. You come back here, you've got a sink here, you've got your closet. Again, a nice size walk-in closet. And then you've got your bathroom, which has a walk-in shower. So there's no tubs in this house, which in today's environment, I'm not seeing any pushback, very, very little pushback on just having 2 showers in a house and not the tub. On occasion, it means something to somebody that has small children, but I would say probably 80% of the time, 80-85%, I never get pushback for not having a bathtub in the house. So I'm gonna go out as soon as I can figure out the door. This little box, killer. Okay, again, the privacy here is pretty amazing. It's really, really well done. So you're in the middle of this neighborhood, which is a very, very nice manicured neighborhood, well taken care of. And you've got all this privacy back here. That's a definite plus for this home. You've got this whole paved area over here. Which is all your pool equipment. And then looking at lots of space, lots of entertaining space here. You've got the pass-through from the kitchen, which is that window right there. You've got a pass-through. And then you have a really nice sized pool. Got a funky little waterfall feature there. But you've got the extra shelf there for sitting. The pool itself, it appears to be in good condition. It probably in the next few years could use a recoating. It appears to be a little bit faded, but nothing that I see anything that's cause for alarm. But I could see this home really be put together really well. And it's 1,907 square feet, but it feels a lot bigger inside of this home. The pool cage itself, really good condition. It's a 1995 pool cage. It is what it is. But does not need to be immediately replaced. It's very sufficient for what it is right now. I'd have to check on the permit history on the roof, see if and when that was done last. And we can see how that all comes together. This door here is that door to that bathroom, the green bathroom. That's what that door goes to. And then of course there's your pass-through to the kitchen. There's that formal dining space. And then what's also another nice thing here, I like this. is you've got the where the door pockets back. So when you open these slider doors, it completely slides open. On this side, as well as on that side, you have that space. That's a really nice feature in the winter when you can open up the house and enjoy the Florida weather and have these doors open. Really nice option. This home is for a rental as well as for an appreciation of value over time in this community. Location is super for what you would want to do, and we'll pull some rental numbers and you can see how that looks for you. Kitchen, family room space. The other thing that I like about this house is the higher, you know, in the 90s they did this. They created some vaulted spaces in the ceilings that give it the higher ceiling feel. That is, you know, right now in today's market, everybody loves the higher ceiling heights. This one has it in the main living space and not in the formal living space. These are 8-foot ceilings here. But again, I've seen this very same house, completely updated, the same floor plan, and it's beautiful with the kitchen pushed back and an island in front and lots of cabinet space. You can create it. I think the last time that I had one of those done, we utilized some of this space here for cabinetry, in the laundry room, a pantry. So there's some things that you can do here that add cabinet space and a more open feel. But again, would not need to be done at this time, could be done to increase the value of this home down the road. That's a very exotic tree. I want to say that not local to this area. I've seen these before. They're beautiful. And again, this is 6640 Fairview Street. Easy access, great location, low cost to get in. We just have to see how old the equipment is and how we need to be positioned on this one. Nice neighborhoods, and you can see from these pictures.